Exclusive mark button. Experience precision with focus. Zoom with one button to complete. Mark the MF value by setting the focus zoom wheel. Long press the mark button to mark. At most, it can mark two values A and B. Tap the cross button mark K. Camera focus automatically switches to mark point. Switching speed and smoothness can be set in advanced settings. When shooting a tracking, tap the app tracking button. Tracking objects can be selected by two methods, either by free selection or by tapping. Hitchcock zoom can produce figure-eight sliding zoom with the phone. The operation is also very simple. Turn on the video Hitchcock function. Choose the focal length of the starting position. Focus position can be selected automatically and manually according to actual shooting needs. Then select the focal length and focus of the end position. Choose the shooting time after confirmation. Starting shooting. Move the position of the gimbal. Take Hitchcock effect.